Good morning. This is Greg Kaiser at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Wednesday, December 5th. First thing we'll look at today is the water vapor satellite loop. The main feature, you see a large upper low circulating off the California coast, and we do have some southerly flow ahead of that. And the main forecast issue today is just how far north some of this moisture well ahead of this system will make it into southern Idaho. Still have very dry air over most of southern Idaho, but some of this moisture is starting to work north. Looking at the radar loop for today, we do see some very light snow starting to reach into northern Nevada and northern Utah. And again, the big forecast impact problem today will be just how far north this snow makes it. Right now we're expecting it to stay in the extreme southern part of Idaho, with probably the main travel issues on interstates 84 and 15. The southern parts near the Utah border could see some light snowfall today. And looking at the surface map, again it shows this light snow right along the southern border. And that's pretty much where we think it's going to stay today. Should stay south, well south of Pocatello and Burley. And again, mostly the higher elevations of extreme southern part of the state is where we will see the snowfall today. And tomorrow, high pressure reestablishes itself and should be dry across pretty much the entirety of southern Idaho. It is showing a bit of light precipitation in the extreme southeast corner, but I think for the most part it's going to be dry, and it will be dry on Friday as well. And looking at our current snowfall forecast, again through 11 a.m., again we could start to see some of that very light snow push across the border after, say, about 6 or 7 o'clock. And could see up to a ½ inch in some of the higher elevations in the Wasatch, but generally just a few tenths are expected early morning, and then late morning through the afternoon again could see some ½ inch amounts across southern parts of Interstate 15, and again in the Bear Lake area along the Wasatch could see close to an inch of accumulation this afternoon. So snowfall totals generally expecting a ½ inch to around an inch in the southern part of the state. That should taper off tonight, and again dry weather will move in tomorrow and Friday. So I think this light snowfall in this extreme south is about the only precipitation we're going to see for the next several days. It's going to remain very cold, high temperatures today, remaining in the 20s. Some higher mountains may not get out of the teens today. But again, very cold temperatures, several areas starting below zero tonight, and again tomorrow. Many mountain valleys approaching 10 below, Stanley Island Park. Low single digits above and below zero in the Snake River Plain as well. And these cold temperatures will continue Thursday. Again, high temperatures mainly in the 20s. And Thursday night, again, temperatures very cold, maybe a bit warmer than Thursday morning. Again, single digits, mountain valleys, generally single digits to low teens in the Snake River Plain. And by Friday, may see just a slight bit of a warm-up, may approach 30 degrees in much of the Snake River Plain and mid to upper 20s in the mountains. And a quick look at the extended forecast, middle of next week, out to 2 weeks. Generally, it looks like the pattern is going to change. We could start to see a much moister pattern out of the Pacific by next Monday, Tuesday, into the middle part of next week. Temperatures, generally equal chances of above and below normal temperatures. And right now, we are trending towards a better chance of above normal precipitation with the potential of some good connection with Pacific Ocean moisture starting to infiltrate southern Idaho again early to the middle part of next week. So looking for the possibility, like I said, the 1 to 2 week forecast for some pretty good chance of mountain snows. So stay abreast of the latest forecast. It looks like I said, next week we're going to see a pattern change. And that will conclude today's briefing. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day, or go to our website listed below. Thank you.